In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this OPPO. First of all, select an app that you wish to use in this view, in my case Chrome. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app. Now select split screen and tap on the other one, in my case Photos. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first tab upwards or downwards. And selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!